Good morning. I am Rati Halimah from PT Telkom Indonesia. I am very pleased that you contacted today for this job interview.
Good morning, I am Muti Hikmawati. I am very pleased to be here today and have the opportunity to join your company.
Great. Let's get started. Can you tell me little bit about your educational background and work experience?
I have a bachelor's degree in education from Nusa Putra University. I have 2 years of work experience at PT Pertamina Indonesia as an assistant manager.
Good. What makes you interested in joining our company?
I am very interested in your company's vision and mission, as well as the product you offer. I also want to develop my career, and I believe that your company can provide me with the opportunity.
Please, thank you for your answer. Do you have any question for me?
Yes, I do. Are there opportunities for career development within the company?
Also to tell you, we have a career development program that can help you develop your skill and career with the company. Great. Thank you for your team today. We will contact you with the next few days to inform you of the interview.
Thank you. I am very pleased to have been here today. I hope to join your company.